Hi, this is Nomadic Jeff that reminds you to know your journey.
I'm Nomadic Jeff, and today I'm gonna buy my own art materials. It would be my first time buying my own materials because I'm used of being a digital artist. Before I used MS Paint for my art, and now I am using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I was inspired by this YouTuber named Mimi Mo Illustration from YouTube. She's Australian and she travels the world financed by her art. I saw a video of her and she said it took her 3 years to accomplish where she is right now. She drew every day and that's why it inspired me. So I bought my own art materials right now. It's very cheap here in the Philippines. It only costs me 200 pesos. In dollars, it would cost you less than $5. After I bought my art materials, I'm going home now. After a minute of motorcycling, I came to our home. I was so excited about my new art material. Having art material is like a third grader having his or her first ball pen. It's very satisfying that you have some of the things you wanted. Way back on the store, I didn't tested it because I wanted to test it in our house. So far, the colored pencil is good, the marker is good, the oil pastel is good. The crayons is good. I haven't tried the watercolor because I don't know how to do it. When I was a kid, I always dream of this thing, an art material, because 200 pesos as a kid, you couldn't afford it unless your mother or father gave to you. And now, I'm old, although I don't have a job, I don't have lots of money, I only have passion for something that feeds my soul, and it happens that 200 pesos is an affordable price for me. I am happy that I'm going to draw every day because I have art material. As Mimi Mo Illustration said, a day of practicing will lead you to a great things. Before my vlog ends, I would like to invite you to stay tuned in my journey to be a digital nomad, and for the next videos will be my art.
Please like and subscribe and follow my channel.